Good afternoon, everybody. It's now August 5th, 2020. It's about 5 minutes to 5 in the afternoon, but I just stopped here on the Lake Huron, northeast Lower Michigan. Just wanted to point out some of these clouds. Like this right here, I really can't see, but I don't know if you guys can see this. Look how that comes down on that angle. It's like a mist or something. I don't know, streamer, whatever you want to call it, but it's really strange looking. I really can't see. Let me see if I can get in the car and block this a little bit. Hold on a minute. Okay, that's a little bit better. But you guys see what I'm talking about? It's like right in here, how that's coming down. You got another one right over here. See if I can see where it's at. I just can't see. I don't know how people do the daytime footage. Sun's right up there. That is strange looking. It's like a face in there with a black eye. Look how red that is right there to the left of the sun. Orangish color or brown, whatever. Just don't look right. But I flew the drone last night, so I'm going to put this video with that drone footage. Just weird looking. Clouds are blue too. I don't know if the camera's picking them up blue. But yeah, you got these streamers in there. I don't know what's up with that. Got that one coming down. See them over here. It's kind of straight up. Just so dark up there looking straight up. The East Tawas Dock, State Dock. Nice dock too. Like I say, I live in a tourist town. It's the point out there, all the way out there. A lot of perch and walleye fishing goes on out there. You got these weird clouds. Anyways, everybody, I'm going to end it. I want to say thanks for watching. I'm going to put the drone footage right after this. So, drone footage will be from last night, August 4th. It was 10 o'clock at night when I flew the drone. Just a 3-minute video. So, watch that too, everybody. Keep safe. Man, it's just so dark up here. Real dark. Okay, gotta go. God bless everybody. Keep safe.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. take a step back to see the truth.